This episode explores how a mechanical keyboard is manufactured and repaired, from switch design to keycap assembly. When a key becomes unresponsive, the repair begins with diagnosing whether the switch, PCB, or spring is at fault. First, remove the keycap, test the switch with a multimeter, and clean dust from the stem using isopropyl alcohol. If the switch is dead, replace it or resolder connections, then reassemble the keyboard and run a full key test. To prevent future issues, keep liquids away, inspect for loose cables regularly, and install a protective case to cushion impact.